Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a short-term course which is offered by JNU and then ENVIS. So here the Ministry of Environment and Forest and then Climate Change, Government of India is supporting the Green Skill Development Program along with Jawaharlal Nehru University. So here we are having a pollution monitoring certificate course for soil, water and then air. So and then here we are having a one more course especially for the industrial area green development. So and then those who are willing to study about water and auditing and then budgeting, that course also available. The course is fully free of cost, and here the lodging, boarding and other accommodation, all the facilities will be free of cost. So don't miss the chance. Apply before February 15th. So that is the last date for the application. In this video, down to the description box I will attach the link, so you click and apply. Don't miss the channel from Revamp YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you.